Hello guys and welcome to this week's episode at Lazi-Low Collectibles. And today on the turntable we have two Corgi whizzwheels Volkswagen Beetles for restoration.
Off the turntable I've got two Corgi whizzwheels Volkswagen Beetles. These are Corgi Juniors and they are made in Great Britain. Both of them Volkswagen, I think it's 1300. Yes, 1300. It's just a bit dirty. The base plates are a bit different. And this one has like a weird fat wheel on it. This one is more regular. They both have holes on the top. This has got 3, and this one, if I take this stupid sticker off, I can show you that this one has also a hole on the roof. I'm not sure, yeah, there is no other hole, but there's definitely one. Somebody put a sticker to hide the hole. So the windscreens are okay. I will refurbish them. And this one, also the lights are different. This has got a glass light. This one has diecast. And I think, if I'm correct, this light is connected with the windscreen. This one has a sort of rivety thing. This one has a proper rivet. They're very deep actually. And this one has a little bit different. I think this is actually older than the red one. So I will take these apart and we'll see what we have inside the cars. Let's see the Beetles. So let's start with this one. Don't know what's wrong with the camera. I think my sticker is interfering. So this is one of them. This one had the traditional rivets, and I've got these Corgi style suspensions, which you have to be careful with, because once you bend them they won't be as good as they were when they were new. It's really hard, the suspension on this one, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I might just pull this out and take the wheels off. That's the interior, and we got the windscreen with 3 holes. I'm not sure what this was before. So that's one of the bodies, and this is the older one. I believe this is the older one. This has got a matchbox style interior. I need to be careful because there is already split in there, so I think I'm gonna clean it and leave it as it is. This one has wheels stuck in, but I think, I'm not sure which one is the stupid wheel. Oh yeah, this one. So I think I will leave these wheels in and I will just polish this base up. You see, that's exactly the same base as this one. Well, a little bit different, but this has got the place for them rods, but I think they changed the design. So anyway, this will stay on. I will just refurbish the wheels. And this is the interior, really dirty. I hope this will clean up nice. And as you can see, pardon the camera, as you can see, we got the headlights attached to this one. So we got the hood as well. So we need to be careful with this one. And that's the body with the hole in there. Oh, I think I'm going to use glue and baking powder. That worked well in the previous projects. So these are the cars. I will put them into the paint stripper and work on the plastics and the windscreens. Shouldn't be too difficult.
Two Volkswagen Beetles took me 2 months to complete, and at some point during the restoration I was thinking that I'm going to put them away and I do them later, but I was thinking if I put them away I will probably never gonna finish them. The problem with these were the holes on the roof, and first I used the super glue and baking powder solution, but that didn't work, so I did buy a soft filler in a model shop, and that turned out to be better. I do some of the detailings, door handles, tail lights, brake lights, and the Volkswagen badges on the hood, which looks alright. So yeah, I really wanted to finish these. I couldn't wait to finish these two, because they look nice, but those holes, they are always difficult to fill up. And finally we arrived to before and after restoration section. So these are the two whizzwheel Volkswagen Beetles. They're not too bad, they just got them holes on the roof. And these are the cars after restoration. I've changed the colors, left the interiors the same, added some extra details, and I changed the wheels on this one, the beige one or brown, to super fast wheels, and the other one has the original. So guys, after the turntable, here we go. We have the cars. They are good rollers, both of them. I left the Corgi wheels on this one, the blue one, and I put some Matchbox regular wheels on the beige one or brown. So I have done these in different colors. I wanted to restore these. There were a lot of trouble with these ones because of the roof, so I did repaint these a couple of times, but I even thought that I'm not going to finish these cars, but at the end I said I need to do these because they are Volkswagen Beetles, they are nice, and now that they are done, I'm happy that I finished the job. So if you did enjoy this restoration video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And please leave comments down below. What do you think of these two V-dubs and my other previous videos as well. So thank you for watching this episode, guys. Have a nice Friday evening. Have a great weekend. And see you next week with another restoration video. Cheers now. Bye-bye.